Hey guys, what's up? RedExions here and welcome back to this brand new video. Now as you guys can see, I'm in a location that you guys have not seen before, and that is because today I'm going to show you what a day in my normal life looks like. So right now I'm actually heading off to my work, and as you guys know, I work at my dad's business. I work there for 20 hours a week, and the other 20 hours I can do stuff for me myself. But in practice it just turns out that I sit there, do stuff for myself. And whenever he needs my help with like administrative stuff or even just with physical stuff, I just go help him out. So today is going to be fairly interesting because we actually have quite a busy day at the business, and I actually have a meeting myself which I have to go to, which is about sponsors, which you will hear more about soon. And also guys, I'm lucky this time because I actually have the yellow van which we use for karting. I have to take that to the business so I don't have to bike today. There it is, the wagon, the machine. Like I told you guys, normally I bike all the way there. That's to kind of keep in shape. Because apart from that, I didn't really do that much physical activity aside from karting. And biking there takes a good 20 minutes, so 40 minutes of biking every day, well, that's pretty good for your health. So yeah guys, I'm going to get in now and drive there, and since you're not allowed to film during driving, I'll see you guys when I get there. Good bus. Alright guys, so I have arrived. And because it's Monday morning, we always start out with a group meeting with the entire, with every little staff. Hey Brietje. Hey Brietjes, hey. Ja, lieve.
Hoe is het gedaan van het weekend?
Nee, ja, ik ben nog wel eens trainen.
Ah, lekker. De eerste keer was dat niet? Ja.
Alright guys, so as you saw there, I am now in my little office space. Office, it's just my laptop and some nice office seat that I currently have. And right now I'm answering comments actually. Now, to be completely honest with you, I don't know how long I will be able to respond to every comment because as you guys know, well, we're nearing 10,000 subscribers, and just when the channel keeps growing, I get more and more comments, and then it just takes more and more time to answer them, so I might not be able to answer all of them. I will of course be answering the comments on new videos, but if you leave a comment on a video that's a little bit older, there will be a chance that I won't be responding to that in the future. So I already wanted to throw that out to you guys. I'm not forgetting you, it's just that I get too much comments in the future. Anyway guys, also, I feel like you guys deserve to know what my dad actually does for a business, so I'm going to show you right now, and I will explain a little bit. He basically makes drip trays for the, like heavy industry and just people who have something that can maybe leak oil. As you can see here, this is some sort of oil and gas stuff, and this thing under here, this black thing, is what my dad produces. So it's basically just a few metal, what do you call them, racks? I don't know. And some canvas on top which keeps the oil from spilling out. And also guys, this he also makes products that I like for indoor use with cars. So you can see this is a drip mat as we call it. We don't really have words for that in English, but I'm just translating them literally. It's literally just a case of putting this the canvas under there, and this is some sort of absorbing cloth, and that literally absorbs the oil that can drip out from underneath the engine. And well, my job here is just to keep an eye on things, keep an eye on the mail, answer customers' questions. And a thing that I'm going to do in a few minutes is this. So in this list you guys can see how many drip trays are actually gone, which are they have been rented by customers. So you can see 70, 80, 82, 79, 80, 89, and this really is one of the best years we've had so far. Like every week I have to count how many drip trays are actually gone, and the average of this year so far is higher than the peak we had last year. So that's why we're able to be running with a team, and why my dad's able to sponsor a little bit more. So thank you if you're seeing this. You probably are. So yeah guys, like I said, my job now is to answer a little bit of comments and just keep an eye on the office right here, and then I'll count how many drip trays we have this week, and I'll show you guys when that's done. Alright guys, so it's nearly time to have lunch, and I actually have to go get some bread because every day we actually have lunch together with all employees. And one of us usually goes to the supermarket and gets some nicely fresh bread and some nice fresh, deli meats and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to have to do that today, so I'm going to be hopping in the yellow van again and driving off to the shopping center. So I got quite a lot of work done. I had to work on some instruction manual for setting up a drip tray. I did a count of how many drip trays are actually for rent right now. And I did some more stuff as well. Also guys, we got a package which I'm going to show you right now. Alright guys, so here we've got the package. I don't know what's in there. Well, actually I do, but I have to say that to create suspense because it's good for the video. So let's open it up. Let's see what's in there. A whole lot of crap and paper. Here we actually have the receipt, so I have to keep that of course. But what's in there is blue turtle wax. If you guys know what turtle wax is, well, I'm not sponsored, but I'm showing it to you anyway. Well, this is basically a sort of cleaner and protective layer for car paint. But as you guys know, I don't own a car and I'm not going to use this on the cart. This is actually for my helmet. So I don't know if it will work, but someone recommended this blue one to me to clean my helmet, so I'm going to try that out. I also need a microfiber towel and I don't have that. And I'm going to order that at the Kart shop because they have OTK microfiber cloths and those are supposedly really good. Yeah guys, I haven't actually worked on the Kart yet. It was pretty clean when I got it, so I decided it could wait a little bit. I took it a little bit easy last week. But now I'm going to drive off and go get some food. Alright guys, so now that that's done, we can actually go ahead and eat. And after that I have to immediately go to the meeting, of course. So yeah, it's going to be a quick little eat and oh my god. I'm sorry about that guys. It's the first Monday of the month and it's 12 o'clock. That means that the air alarm test is going off. So no, we're not invaded by the Russians. This is just a standard drill. Anyways guys, time to head back and I'll see you guys when it's lunchtime. Hey Brutus. Hé, Brutus, gaan we zo lopen? Gaan we zo lopen? Ja, we gaan zo lopen. Ja, jongen, braaf hè. Zo. Alright guys, welcome to this brand new POV. And I've got to be honest with you, this one was inspired by my boy Rutger Bouma. He makes great videos about karting as well. He is in the Dutch 4-stroke championship with the RedExions, which I previously talked about. So yeah, big shout out to him. Go give him a follow as well. His videos are in Dutch, but yeah, most of my viewers now are Dutch, so that's no problem. Hey Brutus, stop eens met z'n trekken, jongen. So yeah, now it's time to walk Brutus, which is our dog de Bordeaux right here. He's almost 1 year old now, but as you can see, he's quite strong. I really have to hold the belt tightly because otherwise he will just pull me with him. Pak him. There we go. Like, he's a dog de Bordeaux, but because he's so young he still has a lot of energy, because these types of dogs, they really have a bad stamina. Let's get the ball again. It's actually quite hard to throw this thing. You have to release it a lot earlier than you think. You can see that that was not really a good throw. The first one was pretty good actually. Blijven zitten. Los. Goed zo. Kom maar hè, vangen. Alright guys, so our little walk with the dog is now over, and I am actually going to have a sponsor talk with the old indoor kart track I started at. The owner of the track reached out to me. I of course knew him from back then, and well, he was very interested in the YouTube part and the sponsorship. So yeah, I already had my first talk with him a couple of weeks ago. And well, he wanted to wait for after the first race for the second talk, so that's what we're going to do now. Also guys, this is just me, or am I basically in this van for almost every vlog? I don't know, but yeah, something that just came to my mind. Anyways guys, I also wanted to ask you the following. Now, please, if you are enjoying these vlogs and you're not subscribed to the channel, then please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons. As I always say to you guys, for you it's only a small few clicks, but for me it really means a lot. We are really going to that 10,000 subscribers really quickly now. We're getting still like between 50 and 100 subscribers every day. And I would like to hit that within the next few weeks. Anyways, let's drive to Lot 66, because that's what that place is called. guys, we're here. As you can see, this really looks like your average indoor kart track. Yeah, with the Finnish flag and stuff. Always feels good to be back here. Little did I know that 11 years ago, when I first walked through the entrance doors here, that that would be the start of a sport that would be such a huge part of my life. Would change me personally so much and would make me meet so many awesome, amazing people, and just let me have the most fun I've ever had in my life. So yeah, it's always good to be back here, and a little bit emotional sometimes even. So yeah, I'm going to head indoors now. I don't think I'm going to film the meeting because, well, I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. But yeah, if not, I'll see you guys when it has ended. Alright guys, so that was done a little bit quicker than I expected, which is a good thing actually. Yeah, I'm not going to reveal too much, but yeah, it's looking good. I would say keep an eye out on my social media, and well, in about a month's time keep an eye out on the YouTube channel. Yeah, I think you can guess what the outcome of the talk was, but I'm not going to reveal any details. So now it's time to head back to well, spill control, and then yeah, I'll see what I can do. I think I need to do a few more things, maybe work on the script a little bit, and I need to order the kart parts, and I'm going to show you that too. So let's go back. Alright guys, so now I'm back at spill control. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about the talk. Right now I've got some little more work to do for spill control, and after that we'll go upstairs and yeah, mess around a little bit with the card and stuff, and maybe make a list of everything I need to order. So I see you when I'm done with all of my work here.
Ja. Die hebben we even kijken.
Alright guys, so it's back to this POV, because I need my two hands right now, because I have noticed that it's quite difficult to vlog and look for stuff at the same time, so it's back to this POV. First of all, let's clean up this thing a little bit. Front bumper. Let's get off the transponder. Yeah, this thing, I've had it for such a long time already, but it still works. By the way guys, this is the best tool out of my out of all of my tools. I use this to distract some of the other drivers. Ready for cleaning. So let's see what parts I need. Let's go check everything. Alright guys, now it's time to feel pain in the wallet again and order all of the new parts that I need. I'm lucky, I don't really need that many things, but yeah, everything costs money, so that's going to be interesting. Okay guys, so first off we have OTK microfiber towels, which I will use for my helmet. I actually got two of them, one for the visor and one for the helmet. Next we have the XPS helmet visor cleaner, which, well, I think you can guess what this does. Then we have the BSD remblock set, that's Dutch, but those are brake pads. Yeah, with OTK they wear out quite quickly, so you need to stock up on them. Then the next, new set of Mojo D5 tires. I only actually have one set now that I can use, so having two, well, that's pretty necessary actually. Then, because last weekend they shortened my axle, I also bought a new standard OTK axle, so that's type N and 1030 millimeters, so that's yeah, 1 meter 3 centimeters, that's the standard size. I also got myself one of these steering rods, which we used up in last weekend. I forgot the English name, but you know what it is. It's not like the it's not the steering column, but the thing that connects the steering column to the wheel. You know what it is. And then last but not least, some exhaust springs, which we use to pull the exhaust onto the engine, because I actually lost one of mine last week. So I'll buy two again, and then I'll make sure I have enough stock. I'll catch up with you guys once it's delivered. I was planning to do a vlog on that anyway, so that you can kind of see the maintenance again. But with that guys, also comes the end to this vlog. Now guys, remember, if you enjoyed it, then please leave a like, a comment and a subscribe on this video. It really helps me out if you do that, but you guys know that. Now this was a day in my normal life when I'm not well, at the track, and as you can see, well, it's pretty much almost all about karting. Now guys, as you will probably know, I am actually a senior RoadX Max driver in the official Dutch RoadX Max challenge. And I actually just had my first race, and well, it was an interesting race. Now when you're watching this channel, you're probably really into karting, and I then definitely recommend to check out this video about my last race. It's really interesting and I'm sure you will enjoy it. This video however is done, and I will see you all next time. Peace.